Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show how to crochet the Pom Pom border edging for a blanket, scarf, or shawl. It's a stitch multiple of 3 plus 1. Start off with a single crochet in a corner, then do a chain 6. Skip 2 chains from the hook, and in that third chain, we're going to do a cluster stitch. We'll do a 5 double crochet cluster. Start with a double crochet, but don't finish it. Then do the second double crochet stitch, but don't finish it. Make a third double crochet stitch, a fourth double crochet, and finally double crochet stitch number 5. You'll have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all of the loops on your hook. Then slip stitch into the next chain. And this forms a little pom-pom cluster. Chain 3. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch. You've completed one little pom-pom for the edging. Chain 6. And as before, skip 2 chains. In that third chain, make a 5 double crochet cluster. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4th double crochet, and finally the 5th double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all of the loops on your hook. Slip stitch into the next chain. Chain 3. Skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet in the next stitch. And now you have 2 pom-poms on your edging. Continue across the row. If you want to go around the entire edge, when you get to the next corner, start with the chain 6 again. Then make the pom-pom cluster stitch. Chain 3. And place your single crochet in the same corner stitch. Then continue around the edging as you did before. And that's how I make the pom-pom border edging stitch pattern.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.